Blessed day to all of us, and let's glorify God today. You see, many relationships they started always with excitement, but you see, very few would finish with faithfulness. Our message for today is about a song entitled Kahit Maputi na ang Buhok Ko. I hope you know this song. You know, I think this would touch the heart of many because here we will not be talking about a temporary emotion or feelings, but we will be talking about a love that would dream of forever. And let's start with the first lyric of this song. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. It sounds like this. Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. You see, the Bible explains that lyrics, godly love remains steady and faithful through every seasons of our life. And you see, just as God never changed His love in us, He wants us to be the same, to have the same endurance and consistency. As it is mentioned in 1 Corinthians 13:8, love never fails. And the next one will sounds like this. Kailanman, nasaan man, ito ang pangarap ko. You see, true love is constant, regardless of time or place, just as God's presence with us is everywhere, and our love will remain in Him forever, wherever our life leads to. Because it is said in Psalm 139 verse 7, where can I go from your spirit? Where can I flee from your presence? And then here's the next one. Makuha mo pa kayang ako'y hagkan at yakapin. Have you heard that? Ako'y hagkan at yakapin. Real love expresses itself through action, through affections and care. It is not only spoken, it is shown. In 1 John 3:18, it is already mentioned, let us not love with words, but with action and in truth. And now I'm gonna share the last lyrics of this song. Then let's hear it from here. Here it goes. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya ibigin mo? Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. What does it tell us? Here, God teaches us to love beyond physical appearance, just as He looks at the heart. You see, mature love, it values more on character rather than the outward beauty. In 1 Samuel 16:7, it is already mentioned, a man looks at the outward appearance, but the Lord looks at the heart. So dear brothers and sisters, true love is not measured by how we start, but by how we choose each other until the end. You see, as the year passed by, the beauty fades, the body changes, and the life becomes unpredictable. But the love that is built in God, it will grow deeper. as it says in Ecclesiastes 4:12. A cord of 3 strands is not quickly broken. Meaning, a relationship with God being in the center as the 3rd strand, it becomes strong, it becomes unshakable, and it becomes lasting. From black hair to white hair. Hope this helps. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, I hope that it inspires us all, and thank you for listening. To God be the glory.